Learning English is a dream for many people around the world. Many people in the world want to speak English. They think, if I learn English, I can get a better job. Some want to travel, some want to talk to new people. English gives many opportunities, but often fear, hesitation, and self-doubt stop them. People feel scared inside. They think, what if I make a mistake? Or what if others laugh at me? This fear is called self-doubt. It makes you stop. You don't even try to speak. Why? Because they don't have confidence. Confidence is not just about being brave. It is about trusting yourself. Being brave means doing something even when it's scary. But confidence is different. Confidence means you believe in yourself. You say, yes, I can do this. In this video, we will talk about how self-confidence can help you learn English. We will explain it step by step in simple English. Self-confidence is very important. If you believe in yourself, you will try to speak. When you feel confident, you are ready to try, even if your English is not perfect. You don't hide, you speak, you learn from mistakes, you will try to listen and understand. Confidence also helps you to focus. You listen to English carefully. You want to understand, so you try more. You will not be scared of making mistakes. People who have confidence are okay with mistakes. They know that mistakes are part of learning. They are not ashamed. And when you practice without fear, you learn faster. When you are not scared, your brain is open. You remember better. You enjoy learning. So let's understand how to build self-confidence for learning English. Now, we will go step by step. We will learn how to grow your self-confidence so you can become good at English. Section 1. Understanding self-confidence. What is self-confidence? It means believing in yourself. It means you know you can do something, even if it is difficult. For learning English, self-confidence helps you to speak, even if you make mistakes. It helps you to keep going when you feel shy or nervous. Self-confidence has 3 parts. 1. Self-belief. I believe I can learn English. 2. Resilience. I will not give up when I make mistakes. 3. Positive thinking. I will try again and again with a smile. Many people think confidence is a gift, but that's not true. Confidence is a skill. You can build it with practice. Psychologically, confidence helps your brain stay calm. When you are calm, you remember better, you speak better. But if you are scared, your brain freezes. You forget words. So confidence helps you to stay relaxed. Some people think, I am not confident because I am an introvert. That is wrong. Even shy people can be confident. You just need to practice, believe, and keep going. Section 2. The link between self-confidence and English learning English is a language. You can learn it just like your mother tongue. But what stops most people? It's fear. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of people laughing at them. Fear of sounding wrong. This fear kills your confidence. But if you have self-confidence, you will. Speak without fear. Listen with focus. Learn new words with joy. Practice more often. Mistakes are not bad. They are part of learning. Every child makes mistakes when learning to speak. Adults also learn the same way. If you think, oh no, I said it wrong, you stop yourself. But if you say, no problem, I will try again, you become stronger. Many successful English learners were not confident in the beginning, but they kept trying. They read books aloud. They watched English shows. They practiced speaking to themselves in the mirror. Over time, their confidence grew. Remember, more confidence equals more practice equals better English. Section 3. Building self-confidence. Practical strategies. Let's talk about how to build self-confidence in real life. Here are some steps you can follow. 1. Set small goals. Start with small targets. For example, learn 5 new English words daily, or speak one sentence in English to a friend. Oh, these small successes will make you feel proud. That feeling builds confidence. 2. Positive self-talk. Say good things to yourself, like, I am learning every day, or I can do this. Never say, I am bad at English. Instead say, I am improving my English. 3. Visualization technique. Close your eyes and imagine yourself speaking English confidently. See yourself smiling, talking clearly, and people listening to you. Do this every day. It trains your mind to believe it is possible. Use body language. Stand straight, look into the mirror, smile, speak in English with confidence even if you are alone. Your body helps your mind feel strong. 5. Face your fear. Do one thing daily that scares you, like speaking to a stranger in English. Slowly, fear will disappear. Section 4. Incorporating English practice into daily life. Confidence also comes from practice. The more you use English, the more comfortable you feel. Here are some easy ways to add English to your life. 1. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing in English. I am brushing my teeth now. I am cooking rice. 2. Watch English videos. Watch simple English movies or YouTube channels with subtitles. Repeat the sentences. 3. Read and speak. Read English books, newspapers, or children's stories. Read them out loud. Join groups. Find online English-speaking groups, or make a small group with friends to practice English every day. 5. Use mobile app. There are many free apps for learning English. Use them daily. Section 5. Monitoring progress and celebrating success. To build confidence, you must see your progress, so keep a record of your English learning. 1. Keep a diary. Write 5 lines in English every day about your day. You will see how much you are improving. 2. Celebrate your wins. If you spoke one sentence in English, clap for yourself. If you watched a movie in English, be happy. These small wins give you energy to keep going. 3. Ask for feedback. Talk to a teacher or friend. Ask how you can improve. Learn from their advice. Today, we learned that confidence is not magic, it is a skill. Anyone can learn it. If you believe in yourself, speak without fear, and practice daily, you will become confident. And when you are confident, English becomes easy. Remember these points. Confidence comes from action. Mistakes are okay. Speak daily, even a little. Believe in yourself. You are doing great. So start today. Say one sentence in English. Smile. And say to yourself, I can do it. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Keep growing. And always believe in yourself.